Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. I have some very interesting news for you. We have actress Reese Witherspoon. Many of you may know her. She bought Ethereum and tweeted about it to her millions of followers. Guys, adoption is happening on all fronts. And we're also going to talk about Solana. It is pumping. It's going to the moon. So congratulations if you hold it, but it surpassed Dogecoin on the coin market cap list, which I think is very bullish. And we're going to talk about the SEC going after Uniswap. We as XRP holders told you guys, we told you this is not about Ripple or XRP. The SEC is going to try to do overreach and use an 80-year-old Howey test to go after the rest of the crypto market, which is not good. So I have the details there for you. We have some folks weighing in on this. And Mark Cuban and the Dallas Mavericks are doing something interesting with Dogecoin, which I think is great for adoption, even though I'm not a fan of Dogecoin. We're going to break it all down. Before we do, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, this video is brought to you by OKCoin Crypto Exchange, where you can buy, sell, and trade your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you don't have to pay high fees. You could pay low fees. And also, you can stake your crypto and keep 100% of the rewards. You don't have to pay any fees. Sign up with OKCoin, link in the description. Also, please be sure to sign up for my free weekly newsletter, All Crypto Insights and Knowledge, link also in the description. All right, let's take a look at the prices here. Bitcoin was sitting over $50,000 today. It was looking very strong. Ethereum was close to $4,000, guys. Right now, it's over 3,900. Cardano at $2.95, XRP at $1.28. And look at Solana, $144.69. So bullish, looking really strong here. But guys, I'm cautiously optimistic. I think we're due for a correction. Now, I hope I'm wrong, but this chart right here, the Bitcoin weekly chart, I don't see enough red candles, guys. Even look at the run up we had in late 2020 into early 2021. You see these four major green candles, and then we had two red candles to show a correction and build support levels. Then we went up to new higher highs. Where is that here? And this is what makes me a bit worried. Now, when I say worried, I mean in the short term. Long term, I'm not worried. I believe Bitcoin's going to $100,000 at the peak of this bull run and possibly higher, and the altcoins are going to hit new all-time highs. But I just want you to be prepared. Essentially, what I'm looking for is the dips, because I'm buying the dips, not financial advice. I'm dollar cost averaging. So if Bitcoin drops back to what, $42,000 or so, I'm buying the dip. Likewise with some of the altcoins. So some people are saying, oh, no, we're going to keep going up. I don't know about that. I think there's going to be a correction in this month, and then I think we work our way up. But zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. The bigger picture is we are headed to new all-time highs, and both for Bitcoin and altcoins. So as mentioned, Solana going to the moon, it replaces Doge as the 7th largest cryptocurrency. Sol hits fresh record as NFT boom continues. So certainly Solana is a Ethereum competitor, and it climbed 12% to $145, establishing a foothold above Tuesday's record of $130. Data from Asari shows the cryptocurrency market capitalization jumped to $42 billion, surpassing Doge's $38 billion. Now, I wish I had some in my portfolio. If you have Solana in portfolio and you're making money, congrats. That's what this is about. I'm not here for a religion or a popularity group. I'm here to make money, and I know many of you are as well. And if you're making money off of this, I'm happy for you. So here's a quote from Sam Bankman-Fried. He said, Solana's popularity, already boosted by Sam Bankman-Fried's support, has seen unprecedented price action on the back of strong mindshare growth, a flurry of decentralized application launches, and most recently, the frenzy around their Kaiju Cards NFT launch. So getting adoption, and NFTs are booming. So congrats again if you're holding Solana, guys. I'm happy for you. And take a look at the weekly chart for Solana. Look at those green candles. Oh my goodness, that is a pump right there. That is huge. So bullish. And I think we're going to continue to see altcoins, have each of them having their own major bull run rally. So I'm hoping to see this for, well, Cardano has been doing some of that already, but I think there's still more to go there. XRP, I think, will be doing this. And we'll see what else. I'm waiting for Chainlink and VeChain also, because I hold those in my portfolio. Now, check this out. Actress Reese Witherspoon, with 2.9 million followers on Twitter, very well-known actress. She tweeted yesterday, "Just bought my first ETH. Let's do this. Hashtag crypto Twitter." Wow, guys. And that's to millions of people, right? We've talked about this. This is adoption, spreading the mass awareness and education, and then the mass marketing that's going to come from the companies. We've been seeing partnerships, right? Tom Brady and FTX Exchange, and a variety of people joining with different exchanges to do things. So I like this, guys. If you hold crypto, this is what you want to see, because now the people who follow Reese Witherspoon, there's a level of trust that's going to be built there. Oh, Reese bought Ethereum. Let me look into this Ethereum stuff or in cryptocurrency stuff, right? So you're going to see more celebrities and influencers do this, guys. But our bags are already packed and ready for new all-time highs. The dumb money is going to come in at the top, unfortunately. And pat yourself on the back, count yourself lucky you're not part of the dumb money crowd. All right, check this out, guys. I like this summary here. Currently hiring crypto experts. And we've talked about some of these in individual videos. Amazon, Apple, Walmart, Fidelity. Well, we know Fidelity's been in the market for a while. Franklin, Templeton, Lloyd's. Guys, you just see tons of these big companies now looking to hire people with crypto and blockchain experience. Why? This is the new emerging asset class. They have to get on board, or they will be left and could potentially go bankrupt in the future, like Blockbuster. You have to innovate. You have to adapt or die. That is the mantra within these companies, right? If you don't stay relevant, this is business 101, right? If you don't service the market, the needs, and integrate things that are adopt new technology, you will be left behind. Look at the many companies that got put out of business. Case in point, Blockbuster, because they didn't adapt to the internet. So very bullish. Here's what Ripple Asheesh Birla had to say about Twitter allowing folks to integrate Bitcoin and Ethereum addresses. There's talks about this being set up for tipping. And of course, Jack Dorsey is a huge Bitcoin bull, so we can certainly see this soon. So he tweeted, "While many will see this as the ability to accept crypto payments, the real interesting point is that this is a step towards a crypto identity layer, replacing the centralized Facebook Connect / Google login with a crypto login." Wow. I think that's what's coming, because, guys, instead of being part of a Google network of email and as a search engine, and also a social network as Facebook, you will be part of a monetary network. Metcalfe's law playing out, guys, and that is Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you may log in with your respective Ethereum wallet, whatever it may be. And I think this is going to be the future. It's amazing what's taking place, guys. So bullish. I'm excited for the future of this market, and we're still so early, right? These things are still being built and fine-tuned. Pretty amazing stuff. Now, check this news out. US SEC investigates crypto exchange developer Uniswap Labs. This is according to the Wall Street Journal. So the main developer behind one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Uniswap, the Wall Street reported on Friday, citing people familiar with the matter. Enforcement attorneys are looking for more information on how investors use Uniswap and the manner in which it is marketed, the report said. Uniswap did not immediately reply to a Reuters request for comment. SEC's probe into Uniswap Labs comes amid heightened regulatory interest into cryptocurrencies and the digital asset market, with Chair Gary Gensler calling on Congress last month to give the agency more authority to better police crypto trading and lending. See, we've been talking about this, guys. This SEC lawsuit against Ripple is at the SEC versus crypto holders versus crypto. That's what's happening. He wants more power, guys. He's asking for Congress to give him more power. Now, we saw people come out and say, no, 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 that can't happen. Even officials from the CFTC, and I'll be talking to some of those former CFTC officials like Brian Quintens soon, Chris Giancarlo, and we can't allow the SEC, Gary Gensler, to get this power. He wants more power. So we have to stop that. And I'm hoping Congress doesn't do this. I hope there's some really thoughtful, comprehensive regulation that comes in and puts the SEC in their place and the CFTC in their place. But this guy is looking to have his banking friends, Goldman Sachs, go look up his background to control this market. That's what it's about, right? That's why we've been saying for a long time, I've been saying it nonstop, they will use the outcome of the Ripple lawsuit if they win it, the SEC wins it, to go after the other crypto projects. Whether you hold Cardano, Chainlink, VeChain, Solana, they will go after it. So what we want is Ripple to win. We want Congress to put comprehensive legislation that does not allow Gary Gensler and the SEC to get more power, guys. And Attorney John Deaton weighed in on this. He said, maybe, just maybe, the rest of the crypto industry will realize that XRP holders have been saying this since December 22nd, 2020. The SEC and Gary Gensler is coming after your crypto. And even if you hate Ripple or XRP, you better pray the SEC loses. Yeah, guys, he's trying to grab as much power and control this market. And we can't allow that. And that's why we got to keep putting out videos. We got to tweet. We got to expose the conflicts of interest and all the things that are happening. And, I'm really disappointed in Gary Gensler. I thought he would come in and be great for the market, but he's clearly not, guys. He's trying to bring the status quo, Wall Street control. They want to control and manipulate this market like they have with the precious metals and stocks and so forth. And we've seen what they've done, the big bankers have done to the market, guys. So here's another update from the SEC, from James K. Filan, excuse me. The SEC has filed its opposition to the Ripple defendants' motion to compel the SEC to produce documents showing whether SEC employees were permitted to trade XRP and other digital assets, 6 pages in 2 consecutive tweets. So obviously, Ripple filed to have the SEC reveal if any of their people have been trading crypto, specifically XRP, because then you would have some smoking gun, silver bullet conflicts of interest here, pretty clear as day, that could get this case absolutely dismissed. So let's see what happens. The SEC obviously filed its opposition. We'll see what the judge has to say. But we know, guys, it's clear as day. If you do research, you can see William Hinman and Jay Clayton had conflicts of interest. Now, I weighed in on the lawsuit today. I tweeted out the following. The SEC and Gary Gensler are in a losing position with the Ripple XRP lawsuit. Aside from blatant conflicts of interest with Jay Clayton and William Hinman, we have the following happening. Former SEC officials against this lawsuit, such as Mary Jo White, Joseph Grunspress, and Joseph Hall. Now, I interviewed Joe Hall. You guys may remember that. If you haven't, I'll put a link in the description to the interview. Current Commissioner Hester Peirce is not in agreement. CFTC officials against the SEC's overreach. So we have Chris Giancarlo, Brian Quintens, and some others, members of Congress against this, like Tom Emmer. And generally, the crypto community at large is against this. So I think the SEC is not looking great here. We're just seeing a lot of eyeballs on this, and they're getting a lot of criticism because it's draconian, if you want to call it that, major overreach. They haven't provided the clear guidance, and they're now saying, oh, you should have known better. Like, it's just ridiculous, right? Finally, guys, Mark Cuban's Dallas Mavericks offer cashback rewards on Dogecoin purchases. Dallas Mav fans who spend more than $150 worth of Dogecoin in one transaction will receive a $25 e-gift card that they can use for purchases at the team's online store. Now, I could care less for the Dallas Mavericks because I'm a New York Knicks fan. Also, I could care less about Dogecoin. I don't hold Dogecoin, right? Or I don't think it's a solid investment. But all things considered, looking at the market as a whole, holistically, this is great for adoption. this is great for adoption. It just gives crypto more visibility, gives people incentive to invest in crypto and spend it. And I love this in a sense of adoption, and that people are getting these incentives put before them to and you have the on-ramps of buy, sell, trade, spend. On and off ramps, I should say. So bullish, in my opinion, of the things to come, guys. The future is bright. I love this Reese Witherspoon tweet. Reese, if you're watching this, I'm a big fan. I would love to interview you. Here's my sales pitch to get you on the podcast, on the show here. You guys tweet at Reese for me. I would love to get her on the show to talk about why did she decide to, get into crypto, why ETH, and what else is she looking to do? Maybe she's about to launch an NFT. That's probably what's happening here. I know she has a book club. So guys, leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I'll talk to you all later.